Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about an easy way of making tasty goat offals. So here I have 1.5 kilograms of offals. Others call it stripe, others goat intestine, but it's all the same. So let's start. You first start by cleaning them, and when you're done, you choose your ingredients. Whatever you want to put, whether you also want to put Irish, you can, but for me here I have tomatoes, green pepper, carrots, onion, ginger garlic paste. So now here, since we are going to boil, we need a bigger pan. We all know that offals take a long time to cook, and sometimes they are chewy, so we have to make sure that we give them enough time to cook by putting enough water and also trying to break them down to cook faster. So now here we are going to also add water. So now here you're going to add 3.5 liters of water because you're going to cook for a long time. But we can also soften them using some of the things that we usually use at home. You can use soda bicarbonate, you can use H-soda, but for me I'm going to use a half a lemon. But I first remove the seeds and then I squeeze the lemon inside. Some people call that H-soda, they call it rock salt, so you can choose to use any of those to fasten the cooking. So me, I'm using a lemon. And then after, you add 1 teaspoon of salt. The beauty of the lemon is that it breaks down the offals and then gives the soup a very good taste. So add the ingredients. You can choose to blend your ingredients so that you don't see anything and just see only the smooth soup, or if you're like me, you want to feel something like the carrots and the tomatoes, so you can just leave it, just pour them the way we just put them, and then now you stir. Now these carrots, you can choose to put them now or later if you want a crunch in them. Add the mixed herbs, and please, when you're making offals, remove the excess fat in them. Also put a bay leaf. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. The subscribers, you're welcome once again. Subscription is free, you just need to click the subscribe button. Thank you. If you're using a charcoal stove, you may use 2.5 or 3 hours, but if you're using gas, you may use 1.5 or 2 hours, mainly 2 hours. So this is how it looked after 1 hour, and after 2 hours, that was the end, and that's how it looked. You've heard of the saying that less is more, so please reduce the fat in the offals, put less spices to keep yourself away from excess gas. These are very tasty. It's a simple way, but very tasty and healthy. Remember to have it hot so that it doesn't get sticky. These are not chewy, trust me. They are nice. And you don't have to be a chef to make very tasty food at home. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.